Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting a personal finance app, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Mint and Empower is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Mint and Empower cater to different aspects of personal finance management but in distinct ways. Mint focuses on budgeting, expense tracking, and bill management. It is primarily used for managing day-to-day finances and does not offer investment account management. Empower provides comprehensive financial management, including budgeting, expense tracking, and investment management. It is suited for users looking to manage both daily finances and long-term investments. Budgeting and expense tracking. Both apps excel in helping users track their spending and manage budgets. Mint offers detailed budgeting tools, bill reminders, and goal setting. It also provides insights and suggestions for saving money. Empower includes robust budgeting features and expense tracking, but its standout feature is its focus on investments and net worth tracking. Users can see their spending habits alongside their investment performance and overall financial health. Investment management. This is a major differentiator between the two platforms. Mint does not offer investment management tools. It is focused on helping users manage daily expenses and budgets. Empower offers extensive investment management tools, including portfolio tracking, asset allocation analysis, retirement planning, and a fee analyzer. Financial planning. Both apps offer tools for financial planning, but with different emphases. Mint provides basic financial planning tools focused on short-term goals like saving for a vacation or reducing debt. It also offers personalized insights based on spending habits. Empower provides advanced financial planning tools, including retirement planning calculators, savings goal tracking, and wealth management services. It helps users plan for long-term financial goals and retirement. Fees. Understanding the cost of using these apps is important for budget-conscious users. Mint, free to use. The app generates revenue through advertisements and offers on financial products like credit cards and loans. Empower, the basic budgeting and expense tracking features are free. However, investment management services are fee-based. Security. Both platforms prioritize the security of users' financial information. Mint uses multi-factor authentication, secure encryption, and monitoring services to protect user data. It aggregates data from various accounts to provide a comprehensive financial picture without enabling transactions. Empower employs bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud detection. It also aggregates financial data for tracking and analysis but offers advisory services that involve direct management of investments. User interface and experience. A user-friendly interface enhances the usability of the app. Mint, known for its intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes budgeting and expense tracking straightforward. The dashboard provides a clear overview of financial health. Empower offers a sophisticated interface with detailed charts and graphs that provide insights into investments, net worth, and overall financial health. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Mint, best suited for users looking for a free, easy-to-use tool for managing day-to-day finances, budgeting, and expense tracking. Empower, ideal for users seeking a comprehensive financial management tool that includes investment tracking and advisory services.